Hey everybody, this is Desert Lumens, bringing you another unboxing and first impressions video. Today we're going to be reviewing the Litesam ED08. As you can see, it's a 700 lumen flashlight. You can look at the back of the box here so you can see the stats on the light and the runtime. Okay, now it comes with everything else you see. Comes with a really good lanyard. Now, I have big hands, and this lanyard easily fits me. So, good job, Litesam, on a really comfortable big lanyard. Also, you get one O-ring and an extra tail cap button, power button. You get a little manual here. The manual does go over some things, but most of the information you'll need is on the back of the box. It also comes with one fantastic holster. It has the company name on it here. This holster is amazing. It's something you don't see on flashlights that cost $19.99. This is an excellent holster. Litesam did a really good job with this holster, and as you can see, the flashlight fits in there really good. You just don't see this kind of stuff on lights at this price point, and this is a very high quality holster. To give you a holster and a lanyard, good job, Litesam. And as you can see, this is a fantastic flashlight. It looks really good. Look at the aggressive knurling on here. The machining is perfect. The anodizing is really good. And just the aggressive knurling on here. It's, impossible to lose your grip holding this flashlight with sweaty or wet hands. As you can see, it has the model number, the ED08 on the back. And this is, like I said, a 700 lumen flashlight. It operates on one 750 milliamp 14500 cell that they provided. It's a protected cell. It does run on AA batteries, one single AA battery, but it does not say on the box, the manual, or on the website on what the run times and the lumens are on those. But at least peace of mind that the versatility is there. You can run on a 14500 or on a AA cell. Now you can see it does have a smooth reflector. This is a Cree XPL LED rated at 6800 candela. This is a real nice flashlight. The way they have it set up in the modes is low is 30 lumens, then you have 100, and turbo and high are both the same, and that's 700 lumens. It also has a strobe and an SOS, something also you don't really see on lights this size and kind of at this price point, and those are also at 700 lumens. You do get a 5-year warranty on this flashlight as well, and it is IPX8 certified. That means it can go 2 meters underwater for up to 1 hour. This flashlight does have a max throw of 165 meters, and it has a 2-meter impact resistance. Now let's take this light apart here. Oh, before we take it apart, let me touch on one thing. I love everything about this light. There's just really one con for me, and that is the button, the tail cap button here, is just a little bit too much recessed. And I know why they did it, because they give you really big holes here, loops for lanyards, for any kind of lanyard you may want to run. Now, it comes with the stock lanyard, and that has the stock, really thin thread to be easily threaded through this kind of a size hole. But they make different size lanyards, and guys like to put that on their lights. So I can see why they did it, and they made the button a little bit shorter. but it kind of makes you forced to be able to turn the light on. You have to go from one angle, because if you try to go from any other way, you know, it kind of stops you and prevents you, and it's a little uncomfortable sometimes if you hit it the wrong way. So that's really the only con I have to say about this fantastic light. And maybe that to switch modes, you know, we're going to talk about that shortly, but to switch modes, well, let's talk about it now. You turn the light on and you can switch modes different ways in this light. It's kind of cool where you could unscrew the head and just keep twisting and it'll cycle. There's SOS. You just saw a quick strobe and that was high, and it just keeps cycling as you turn it. Or what you do is it does support momentary on, and that's really how you're gonna cycle and get the mode that you want. You just either turn it on and get what you get, unless it's a strobe or SOS, and you'll have to just turn it off and turn it back on really quick like you see me doing. Or you can just, with a series of half clicks, just pick the mode that you want, the brightness that you want, and then complete the click to get it to turn on. That's really the only two cons with this light. Now let's open it up, because everything else on this light's good, including the pocket clip here. But let's open her up. You can see the tail cap is really nice. It's really well lubricated. The spring is nice and thick. They did a really good job machining this flashlight. And here's the cell. As you can see, it's a 750 milliamp, 14500 protected cell. And it puts out a lot of power. Before we do that, let me show you the head here. There's that. Also, lubricated. Very nice inside. So the best cells that you'll be using with this will be button tops. But as you can see, they really take care of you here, and they do provide a really nice high quality package. The Litesam ED08 is a fantastic light. I've been carrying it for the past few days, and I love it. I haven't really had any problems. I've been getting used to turning the light on, and I think I'm pretty much used to it. You just have that little bit of a break-in period. Then after that, 1 or 2 minutes, you just really don't notice it. You'll just turn it on and just get what you get. And if you get a strobe or, SOS, like I said, you just, one little quick click and that's it. But for the price point, $19.99 on Amazon, this is a fantastic light. And just all the stuff you get with it, especially this holster, it's worth it. That one little con, that's about it on a fantastic everyday carry light like this. I'm looking forward to seeing more lights by Litesam. I know they have some more models out, and I would love to get my hands on them. And if I do, be sure to know that I'll be doing some reviews on it. And I want to thank you guys for supporting me and for watching my videos. And I wanted to tell you guys I appreciate everything. And once again, this is Desert Lumens bringing you the Litesam ED08. I thank you again. I would like for you to have a very blessed evening. Thank you very much, guys. Good night.